In cars, wiring harnesses transport signals and electric current. Up to 6 kilometers of cable can be installed in a modern vehicle. They ensure that the car starts, that the headlights work, and that tire pressure is displayed on the onboard computer. The connections among these innumerable cables must be perfect in order to function perfectly over the entire lifetime of the car. For this reason, ultrasonic metal welding is the method of choice for fixed and durable cable connections. The energy required to connect metals is achieved with extremely fast vibration, ultrasonic frequencies. Schunk is the global market and technology leader in ultrasonic metal welding. Here, an innovative process is used to fuse metallic materials through high-frequency mechanical oscillation. The advantages: the joints exhibit excellent electrical properties, the connection is fixed and durable, and process control during welding is perfect. One application example is wiring harnesses.